Some dryer vents have this cage style roof cover, and it really can't be accessed from the outside, so I'm going to show you how to clean it from the attic. If you're lucky, you'll just have to take a little bit of tape off to access that cover. Okay, now that you can access it, stick your hand inside and you're just going to feel around and pull all the excess lint off the cage and the surrounding area. It's not that easy to maneuver, but you just have to take your time and get all the debris out of there. If you can see daylight coming in, that's a good visual cue that you're doing a good job of clearing the lint. That along with just feeling around to make sure you've got it all. Okay, so now we can put the pipe back in there. I usually put a little strip of tape just to hold it in place, and then I'll wrap it with some more tape to keep it stable. Okay, just make sure the tape is on there nice and snug. Don't forget to grab the lint debris that you pulled out of there and take it down to the trash can, and you're good to go.